now we're going to get our primer all mixed up. Here we are using the Tamco HP-5311. This is a direct metal, or this is the black. They also say this is direct to rust as well. And we're going to put it to a little test today. So, and then that comes with the universal primer hardener as well. These do mix 4:1, and then 10% reducer as well. They suggest 2 to 3 coats with a 10 to 15 minute flash coat. So I will speed this up and get this mixed up, and we will get to spraying.
A little trick I learned, you tape a V on there, that way when your paint gets down in this ring, and then that little house of color class that it did from John Kosmowski. So this is 4:1, we'll get some primer mixed up here.
Alright, we're back with our hardener. We'll go up to the 10% here. Alright, we've been mixing here for a little bit now. And these are the master disposable cups. These are in my kit store. If you check the link down below, it'll take you out to my store. If you check under, well, you'll see it. I have a link for these out there. These come in a kit that are $50. They come in a 6 ounce, this size here, which is the 20 ounce, and then a 27 ounce. They do fit the 3M version 1 adapters. I've been using these for quite some time. I've been through 2 boxes of the 6 ounces and about a half a box of these 20 ouncers, and I've had no issues, no leaks. They've worked really good, and they're really cheap. And then you can actually buy a set of the four hard cups of these for right at like $20. So great deal. So head to the link below, check those out in my kit store. So let's get in the booth here. And today we're going to be using my A&I FS1. It is the 2.0 2mm nozzle. Let's get this on here. So you just pop it on like that. And just give her a little twist. There we go. Now we're gonna be priming this motorcycle tank here. This is just my practice tank. I did paint it once and then clear coat it. I didn't do any body work to it at all, just because, well, I just wanted to get paint on it, and at the time I didn't have any body work equipment. So, but now I came in and I did fix, this was all kind of broken up. There's just some other little areas too that I fixed with some filler on the bottom here. And then here, there's a bunch of filler on this down here. Some of it was chipping away, so I chipped it away. And there's a little rusty spot there. figured this primer says it's direct to rust, so I did scuff that with just a red Scotch-Brite, and then I did wipe this all down with the 397 Final Wipe by Tamco. So let's get our fan turned on, or turned up here. Get our filter up. And get my mask on, and we will get the gun set up and start spraying. So I've never sprayed this primer before, so I'm gonna try right around 30 psi. I do have the air wide open. Fans wide open, and then fluid's wide open for now, but I'm probably going to choke that up. So, complete the close here. All right, so I just went in about half or 3/4 of a turn in from full out. Right, now here it is all sanded up. I didn't get any footage of it, but I just used my Essential Pneumatic DA from Harbor Freight with some 400 grit with the interface pad. And it just turned, this stuff just powdered up super nice. I was really happy with it. The primer is really good. Really happy, and look forward to working with it some more. But yeah, that's all I had for you on this video. I will be doing this complete tank throughout separate videos, so stay tuned for part 2 and keep those brushes stroking.